Today we're going to give my 2021 F-150 a little more attitude with a brand new catback exhaust system from AWE. If you're a regular viewer of our channel, you're probably already familiar with AWE and their high-quality exhaust systems that are proudly built, engineered, and designed right here in Pennsylvania. Now, this F-150 system, like many of their other systems, features their 180 technology. Basically a patented system that will get rid of drone, but also has a straight-through path to maximize performance. Again, like all AWE systems, you have a full stainless steel construction, 304 from front to back, and then 2 tip options. Your choice of either a polished tip or a black chrome tip. Now, this system is designed for your 21 and up F-150, and it'll fit all 3 engine options, so 2.7, 3.5, or 5 liter, and it'll also work with any of the extended cab options. So it will not work with your standard cab, but your Super Crew and your Super Cab. This system will have all the parts necessary for installation. Now, one of the cool things with AWE is their options. Not only do you have optional tips, there are 2 different versions of the system. You have this system shown here, which is a side exit system, and you also have a rear exit system. Now, in the case of my truck, I actually do tow an open trailer a lot, so I prefer the side exit exhaust, so that's what we're going to install. Now, if you go with the side exit, it comes with twin tips. So these are a dual wall tip, again, available in the chrome or the black chrome. And these are going to be 4.5-inch slash cut to fit the body style. Now, if you do prefer that out the back look, again, that is also available. Now, if you prefer that classic dual exhaust out the back look, well, AWE has you covered there as well. Now, this kit, again, a different part number, also available in your choice of the chrome or black chrome tips. It's going to feature dual 5-inch tips, again, double wall tips straight out the back, and it'll come with all the piping necessary along with brackets to convert to that dual exit look. All right, so you have the truck up in the air. We're going to begin the installation up here in the front. Remove these 2 bolts that hold the factory resonator to the downpipe. Now we're going to separate this clamp here. This basically holds the resonator to the factory flex pipe muffler assembly. Now we have that loose, we can start removing the hangers. And make sure you use something to support the muffler and remove the other bolt. All right, now that we have this loose, the hangers out of the way, we can slide the muffler back and separate it from the resonator. And remove the resonator. Now, because of the size, extra set of hands will come in handy here, but now what we're doing is slide the muffler off the rear hanger and then remove it from the car. Yeah, now since my truck is an EcoBoost, we're going to reinstall just this rear hanger. If you have a Coyote truck, you can install both of these. All right, now we're going to grab the AWE front pipe, put that up into place, and reinstall factory hardware. You're working a 157-inch wheelbase truck. Now you'd put this pipe on next. In my case, I have a 145, so the extension is not used. Okay, now grab the muffler assembly, put one of our AccuSeal clamps on, and we're going to put it up into place into the factory hangers and slide it over the front pipe. And line up with the front pipe, twist a little bit if you have to, and slide it on. Now bring our AccuSeal clamp to the edge of our flange pipe, snug it down. Don't tighten it all the way, we'll need some adjustment in the back. Now the over axle pipe, we're going to put it up into place in the hanger first and then connect it to the front pipe. And again, snug up the clamp. Grab the Y pipe for the tips. Again, a clamp. And snug it down. And now we can install the tips. Again, you put them out as far or tucked as much as you'd like. And snug them down. All right, once the tips are aligned and you're happy, we're gonna go back through and tighten everything down. Here's a little before clip of the factory exhaust. Again, 3.5 twin turbo EcoBoost. All right, the EWE system is installed. Let's hear how it sounds. It's not easy to make the EcoBoost sound good, but AWE did a great job with their Raptor exhaust, and I think they nailed it again with the 21 F-150. It's got a deeper tone to it than I expected, but it's not overly buzzy, which is very important with the EcoBoost. Best of all, that 180 technology on the highway, which I drive this thing a lot. I'm not gonna get any kind of a drone, which is gonna be perfect. Now, the installation is gonna be your typical exhaust on these trucks. Give yourself about 2 hours or so, be back on the road in no time.